Understanding fabric scissors in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the world of English language learning with a focus on the phrase, fabric scissors. This might seem like a simple term, but it's packed with meaning and context that's crucial for both sewing enthusiasts and English learners. Let's explore what makes fabric scissors special and why they're a must-know term. Fabric scissors are a specific type of scissors designed exclusively for cutting fabric. Unlike regular scissors, fabric scissors have sharper blades and a specific angle to ensure clean, precise cuts on various types of fabric. It's important to note that these scissors are reserved solely for fabric to maintain their sharpness. Using them on paper or other materials can dull the blades. In the world of sewing and tailoring, fabric scissors are essential. They provide a level of precision and ease that regular scissors can't match when working with fabrics. For English learners, understanding this term is key when discussing sewing or following English instructions in crafting and garment making. Taking care of your fabric scissors is crucial to their longevity and performance. They should be cleaned and sharpened regularly, and it's advisable to store them properly to avoid any damage. Remember, the golden rule is to never use fabric scissors on anything other than fabric. We hope this video has helped you understand the significance of fabric scissors in both the English language and the world of sewing. Remember, learning English isn't just about words. It's about understanding the context and culture behind them. Happy sewing and happy learning! See you in our next video.